Hey guys, it's me and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to be laying this T-frontal wig together. So the first thing I'm going to do is to use my alcohol to clean my forehead to make sure I take out every oil or every residue from the previous makeup I had on from my head. So after doing that, I'm going to use since it's a new one and it does not flow like a straight line, so I'm just going to use my eye pencil to kind of like map out the place I want to apply the glue onto. So that's what I'm trying to do now, and after doing that I'm just going to take my glue and then place on the point where I have mapped out. So for glue, I'm using the Ghost Bond as the glue of the day, so I'm just going to place it behind the point I have mapped out, and then I'm going to spread it. So I'm going to let this sit for like 5 minutes until it dries, and after that I'll go in with the second layer. So this is the second layer and I'm applying, then I'm going to let it dry also. It could dry before 5 minutes, but just let it dry clear before applying it. So now the second layer is dried, so I'm just going to lay down the wig. Then I'm going to use the comb to press it down. By combing through the hair, I'm kind of like pressing it down onto my scalp, onto my skin. So that's what I'm doing, and after which I'm just going to use what's it called again, the band, to tie my hair. But before that, I'm just going to make sure it's where I want it to be. Then I'm going to use the band to tie it down. So I'm just going to reduce the net covering my face because I'm about to do my makeup so that it doesn't get in the way of my makeup. So it's now time for me to take out the band. I'm done with my makeup, so this is how it's looking like. But before then, I'm just going to go in with my wax stick to kind of flatten the front part, then go in with my hot comb. And please guys, check out my other videos on my channel. I have good content I think you might like, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video.